Toyota Wish installed for Lenovo D1 Plus, 8-core processor, 2GB RAM, 32GB ROM, IPS screen with OEM casing, OEM good fitting. Still same color. IPS screen, multi-angle viewing, OEM casing good fitting, OEM socket plug and play. Lenovo D1 Plus support AHD camera input, connect with AHD reverse camera. It's more clear viewing at night time, daytime. Setting, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with a phone hotspot for internet. Storage, use of 32GB. System, Android version 8.1, 2GB RAM. Split screen function. Okay, radio. Select the frequency you want. Long press to save it. Okay. Full menu. Aux video input and video output. Bluetooth music. Before that, you have to click for the phone for Bluetooth call. You have to pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Car setting. Handbrake on off. Play video after release. Video PIP, picture in picture function. So let me show you for video PIP. Turn on a video file. Okay, press the home button. So this is video PIP. Picture in picture. Full menu. Equaliser. 10-band equalizer. Preset. Loud. File Explorer. So 10.1 inch is no DVD, no SD card, but it's come with 2 USB extension slot. 2 USB extension. So we'll put in a drawer. Play Store. Log in Gmail to download app. Screen off. Setting. Okay, just now is the car setting. System setting. Factory password 2468. So you can change your boot logo and do your back car setting. For reverse camera setting, HD reverse system, select for AHD. Setting control setting. Okay, clear apps, create one by one or close all. So this is Lenovo D1 Plus, 2GB RAM, 32GB ROM, 8-core processor, 10-band EQ. Okay, IPS screen with OEM good fitting casing, OEM power socket plug and play, AHD camera input. Okay, install by 1bis. Video by Andy. Thank you.